Inga Milton Ochieng. Jotend sikunde mapacho ka obuogo maloro skunde chon motelo ne odiechieng' moyiedhi maloro ka giwacho ni gionge omenda mar medo bedo gi jopuonjre sikunde. Jopuonjgo wacho ni gisebedo ka giholo chiemo kod chenro mamoko mondo mi chenro dhi mbele. Jakom riwruoge jotend sikunde kaunti ma Trans Nzoia Charles Ong'ayo omedo ni thoth sikunde ni kama rach kendo ni gigope turi. Jaod bura ma Saboti Caleb Amisi bende oseyo jatend migawo mar omenda John Mbadi kuom wach ni serikal onge gi pesa mar siro jopuonjre skunde.
Secondary school. Yeah. So all these students.
What do you expect? What do you expect from the principal? Even if they are miracle workers, they have done miracles in the last 5 years, and I think they are almost feeding up. They are fed up. Like we are closing schools early this term simply because principals cannot afford to keep the students in class. So let the government just style up and release the money the way it is wanted, and the education will continue.
You can play with any other social aspect of citizens of Kenya, but you can never dangle and joke around with the education system of this country. The worst you can do is to bring back all the good things that Kibaki put in place, including the CDF that is now under threat.